I think we were discussing about your Power BI Gojek project, Gojek trip analysis, okay, on your Power BI environment, okay. So this is the folder what I created, okay, and we have discussed about your project descriptions, okay, and we have discussed about your what you called data, okay, all these things, right? So today what we do, so we have discussed about your basically like we created one data model also, if I'm not wrong. So let me open your Power BI, okay. Just 1 minute. So hope you are able to see my screen, right? Yeah. So yesterday I think we are discussing the previous class. So let me open your project trip analysis. So we created a data model, right? Okay. So we imported your data to your Power BI. Okay. We created a what you call a data model. Okay. So we also created one date table and also established relationship between your trip tables, and also we created your data model, fine, okay. So this is the initial steps of your any project. Basically, first of all, you should understand your business requirement, you should understand your data, you should understand your data, you need to create your data models, you need to know whether you need some tables or not, all these things basically. Then you need to create your data model, right? Then you start working on your what you call the real-time reports, okay, based on the requirements, fine. So before getting into that, so let me basically you know uh, discuss how the same thing, okay, so can be done in your fabric, okay. So because whenever I'm training you on a Power BI projects, parallelly I will be helping you in what you call doing the same thing on your fabric also, so that you can also put the fabric projects also. So now tell me, how can you do this the same thing in your fabric? Okay. So what we do, okay. So today's class will discuss about your fabric. So I think hope you attended the fabric classes till lake houses and Power BI experience, if I'm not wrong, right? So if you attended Power BI classes, I mean on fabric environment, you can easily understand what I'm telling, right? So when we get into your fabric environment, so this is your fabric environment, okay. So basically, we have opened your fabric environment, fine. So let me get into your, let me create one, let me get into your, create one new workspace, okay. So for example, click on workspace, click on new workspace, okay. Now let me, what do you call basically, what do you call name it as fabric, okay, Power BI, Gojek trip analysis project. Fabric Power BI Gojek trip analysis project. Okay. So now, so click on trial, click on apply, click on apply, click on apply. Right? So now, basically, uh, you know, so basically now, basically, now we created a workspace. Now let me create. See, first of all, okay, your data is not on cloud. Okay, fine, your data is not on cloud, your data is on your desktop. So where is your data? It is inside this folder called Gojek. So no problem. So that is the reason why directly you can what you call upload your data to the lake houses. Suppose if your data is on cloud, they will give the cloud information, basically Azure blob, we call it as a Azure blob user credentials. Okay, this will discuss once we finish Azure Data Factory in your fabric. Okay, because only we completed Power BI experience in your Fabric. Okay. We didn't started your Azure Data Factory experience in Fabric. Once we start Azure Data Factory experience, we'll upload this data basically, to your Azure, then we'll connect to the Azure. Okay. Then we extract the data, we create some pipelines, we extract the data, okay, and load into a warehouse, lake houses. So hope you are able to understand what I'm telling. Generally in real time, this data will be stored, this location table and trip table will be stored, okay, inside your what do you call the cloud, inside your cloud. Hope you understood, right? Okay, now we create certain what do you call the pipeline, data pipeline, okay, and store inside your lake house, stored inside your lake house. Okay, fine, this is your lake house. Fine. Okay. So now basically, because lake house is the only place where you can store your raw data. So basically we will put your location table here, okay, and trip table here, okay, trip table here. Okay, now once we load this data, then we involve in some transformation techniques. Okay, okay, then we load into warehouse. So in your Fabric we have completed the syllabus till this part, but we don't know this, we don't know about warehouse, we don't know about transformations, we don't know anything. But even though we did we completed this part, we'll try to implement your project only till this part. Okay, once we finish your Fabric, all these things, what is ADF, what is warehouse, what is data engineering, because for this part you should be able to understand what is warehouse, what is data engineering and all, right? So then we will again continue the project. Fine, so this is my agenda. Okay, so now basically let me minimize the screen and create one lake house. Click on new item. You know how to create your lake house, right? So search lake house. So this is your lake house. Okay, click on lake house. So give some meaningful name to the lake house. So Gojek, okay, trip analysis lake house. Okay, so just click on create. Click on create. Use some meaningful informations. Okay, okay. Now see, we are in your lake house, we have tables and files. Already we have a files. So let me import your files. So click on three dots, click on upload files. So where is your files? Inside in your local system, right? So click on your files. So go to your desktop, Gojek project. So location table and trip tables. Click on open. Click on open. Okay. Click on upload. Click on upload. So two files I'm uploaded successfully. I uploaded. Okay, fine. So once I upload successfully, I want to convert. See, generally in lake houses, if you want to create a data model, you can't create data model with the help of your files, right? We need to create data models with the help of your tables. So we need to convert this. Okay, now see here, it is not asking basically because it is an Excel file. It is not basically allowing you to create tables directly. Fine, there is no option. That is the reason why convert into CSV file first of all. So go to your desktop. Okay, first of all, convert that into CSV file. Okay, so let me open your location table. Let me copy this first. Okay, okay. So let me change this format now. Okay, so let me save as. Okay, other formats. CSV. Where is CSV? Yeah. Okay, click on save. Click on save. Fine. Now close this. Minimize this. Open trip details. Copy. Click on menu. Save as. Other formats. CSV. You can't save. We can't save. Fine. Fine. Okay. Now let us close this. So we have our CSV formats. Okay. So to go to your lake house, just let it be these. We'll upload your CSV formats again. Okay. Click on file, upload files. So let me location. So understand which is CSV format, which is not CSV format. Okay. So I think we copied all files. Okay. I'm not able to. I think. Let me see.
Sir, that script details copy CSV file, no, sir. Just now we have saved it in CSV.
Where we saved it? Which
Script
folder?
details copy and location tables copy.
This is a CSV format, right? But it's showing
Yes.
it's an Excel format only. That is the reason.
Yes, sir. We have saved the CSV format as Excel spreads worksheet. While
Mm,
saving it as asked one option, save as worksheet or CSV. You have
uh,
selected work.
yeah, yeah,
By
yeah.
default, it's worksheet.
Let me change the other format. Okay. Just let me close it. Huh? See, again, it is not able to convert here. Okay, replace file. If you want to continue to save this current format, you lose some important retail data. I think now go to your let us ignore this. It's not allowing to convert it to CSV here.
No,
Okay.
sir. If you click save button, it will be converted directly. No, sir. It is giving a warning. We may lose some data.
No, if you click on save button, it will be Excel format only.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Save as Excel is one format, Ritu, and save directly save is the current
Now it is
format.
saved as CSV. 1 minute. No, here I should get CSV actually. Here now I should get CSV. So where is that CSV format? That's what I'm doing. I think I'm very. I think I'm saving in some other location. Just give me some time. So where is this actually? 1 minute. Go to file. Ah. So project Power BI project. Project. Okay. Location type copy CSV. Dot CSV. But I'm not able to see this right. But this is not CSV format. This is Excel format only.
Yeah, it's Excel format.
Hmm. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll create one new CSV format. Copy this data. Okay, let me save on desktop. So I need CSV. Okay, click on location table. Okay, again it's saying right?
Now we can click save.
Okay, so let me close it. Go to this properties. Now CSV, yes.
Yeah.
Dots. Okay. So let me open now Power BI. When your Fabric, go to your desktop, location table, right? Am I right? That is CSV. Now you are able to see. Hope you understood, right? Okay, fine. Now you are able to convert to the table. Click on new table. So click on load. That's it. So it is getting converted to the table, right? So this is how you need to do the same thing. Hope you understood, right? What I'm telling. So again, the same thing. Uh, you know, that is loading the data. 1 minute. Again, what we do? So we open your thing. We open new blank workbook. Close it. Basically, like click on home. Okay, click on blank. Okay, so go to your this trip details. Click on trip details. So let us copy this. Paste here. I think there is some format issues. Table column is not copied. Let me remove the filter.
Uh, Sir, click on home there, the top before insert.
Yeah, I need to remove the filters.
Yes, sir. Actually, in the home tab, it will be there at last. Actually, usually.
1 minute.
No, here in insert page layout like that. Yeah.
This is not Microsoft Word. That is the reason. Is it a separate file?
Okay. Okay.
So where I can see the filter. Okay, let me search this. No filter. Okay, just like say auto filter. I think that this is they applied the filter. Okay, no problem. So let me just pick up time, drop off time, passenger count. Let me copy this. Trip distance. Where amount is done, right? So we have 4 columns. Means something is mismatched here. Pick up time. Okay.
Serial number added.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is trip ID. This is search fee. Vehicle type. This is a payment. Okay. Now click on save. Save as other formats. CSV. Trip details.csv. Okay. Click on save. Click on save. Yeah, it is done. So let me now open your this. Upload the file. So with this, split up trip details.csv. Click on upload. Okay. So now let me convert this to trip details CSV to the table. Okay. Click on new table. Click on load. The problem is occur. Why? Because I think there is some spaces, you know, inside your. Let me go to your trip details. So in the column, there are some spaces. I think it should not be there. See, like pick here, there is a space. So we should so pick up time. Then let us not mention any space here. Okay, drop off time. This is okay. PU location ID is okay. Okay, okay. Search fee. Vehicle payment type. Everything is fine. You can't save. Save. Done.
The
So
trip ID also seems to be.
trip ID. Yeah.
Yes.
Ah, yes. Can't save. Can't save. Close it. So now basically, like so again I will upload a file. So it's already existing. Let me overwrite it. Okay. You can't upload. So I overwrite it. Okay. So now let me convert it to tables. Now it is converting. So this is how you need to convert it to tables first of all. In your fabric environment. Is quite which is quite real time. So it is done. So we successfully converted it to tables.
One
Fine.
small doubt. One small
Yeah,
doubt, sir.
yeah.
Sir, if there are any changes in the file, will that be automatically updated here, or
Yeah,
we
when you
need to
connect to
upload again, sir?
so when you connect to a cloud data, then automatically it will be updated. But here it won't be updated because there are manual things you are doing. Hope you understood, right? So when the same
File,
files are available inside your cloud,
file
okay,
is inside the cloud now, sir. Here.
Now it is not in cloud actually. It is in your no, the file here. It is in cloud, but
Yes, sir.
from here it is uploaded from your desktop, right? Manually you are
Yes,
up.
sir. Yes, sir.
Generally we won't do like this. Okay. So what we
Okay.
do, we will connect your lake house directly to the cloud, so that you will understand once I finish your ADF Azure Data
Okay.
Factory. Okay.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So now see here, this is your location table. This is your trip table. Okay. Now we need to establish relationship between these two. So how can I get into? Basically, let me get into your SQL endpoint analytics. So just click on SQL endpoint analytics. Okay. So now here we can establish relationship between these two tables. How can I get into? Go on model layouts. Okay. So here the data is loaded. Now see here, many data is loaded, but I don't want all this data. Let me basically go to reporting, manage default semantic model. So I want only location table and trip table. That's it. Click on confirm. Okay. So now I'll get only location table and trip table. That's it. Okay. That's it. Okay. Fine. Now basically, uh, see, it is the why it is showing the red mark, because it is telling that we could detect the data source information for this table unknown. Why? Because we have uploaded data as a normal way, yes or no, right? From which data source it is coming, it doesn't understand. So that is the reason why. Please neglect it. So now, as usual, you know how you do in your Power BI. This is your Power BI environment again, right? So you can do it the same way. Fine. So you can establish relationship between your location ID and the what do you call uh, and the pickup and what do you call drop location ID. So let me just drag and what do you call establish relation. What do you call? You can create your new models, okay? Or I think there is an issue. 1 minute. Now you are able to see manage relationships. Click on manage relationships. Okay. So let me click on here manage relationships. So click on new relationships. So from this table, location table to, so there is some issue actually. Preview is not available. Okay, fine. Data is preview is not available. No problem. So trip details. So I selected your location table, location ID, and selected your what do you call the pickup location ID. Fine. So many to one relationship. It's not a many to one relationship. It is a one to many relationships. It is a one to many relationship, right? There is some issue. Why? Please check the technical. The model doesn't have the name trip details. Table name trip. It's not able to recognize the source. Fine. This. Let me work on it. Why it is looking like that? Okay. What is this? Okay, let me create a new semantic model, but I don't want to create a new semantic model. But it's the existing semantic model itself. Are we able to write some queries? We run this. You are able to get the data. No problem. Then why it is creating issue here? Yeah, we are able to run the data, but why data model is don't get to detect the data source of the information? Okay. Okay, general property description. I don't know. Advanced data lake. Fine, guys. So give me some time. Let me work on it. Okay. So systematic. successfully. See, it is not populating the data in the data model. That is my issue. Let me check here. I'm creating a new data model. So this is how you need to basically work on your fabric. See, there is nothing difference between your Power BI and Fabric. Only that Fabric creates better environment than your Power BI. Okay, now you are not getting that. So let me put this here, put this here. Make it okay. Close. Now it is able to detect the location. Okay. Hope you understood, right? You are able to see the server, data sources, SQL server, database. Hope guys are you able to understand. Okay.
Yeah.
Now basically, but there also it should come like this. We'll see like location ID can be passed to pick up location ID. Okay, here also the data is not coming one to many relationship. Okay. Okay. So data lake tables doesn't show the data previews or validated relationships. Okay, fine, no problem. You can't see. Fine. Then location ID is given to where is drop location ID. This is the location. Fine. So again one to many. Fine. So do you want to make a active relationship? No, I don't want to make. Click on save. It is an inactive relationship. Now see here inactive relationship. Same thing we did in a Power BI also, right? Okay. Fine. So you can create a table also. New table, date table, right? So do one thing. So just I'm naming it as project. Okay. Prep analysis data model. Okay. So it has been saved actually. So what you do, take it as assignment, create a date table and create a relationship with your trip tables. Okay. So you come on one day class. Okay. So this is your assignment. Right? What you should do, you should create a date table, date calendar table in your fabric environment, not Power BI. And you should establish a relation that with that trip tables. Trip details. Already we did it in your Power BI, right?
Yes.
But
Yes.
I'm asking you to establish relationship between. Okay. So I'm asking you to establish relationship between what do you call your trip tables and the date tables. Hope you understood, right? Okay. Fine, guys. So take it as assignment and come for the Monday's class. Fine. So any questions till now, Mr. Jagadish? Any question?
Uh, no, Ritvik. Actually, I'm going through the previous classes as well. And one more thing, Ritvik, I'm not getting the updates from the group itself, actually, regarding the
See,
classes. And
actually, I think there is some WhatsApp. There is a change in the WhatsApp. I'll tell Mr. Sunil or Samir, to coordinate with you. Right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
So fine, guys. So we'll meet you in the next class. I mean Monday class. Please try to practice. Okay. Fine.
Yeah, thank you.
Fine. And Hajra Khan, I think there are no classes for you because we have given holidays for you. Okay. So for your preparation holidays, your classes. I mean, you'll be having Hajra Khan. Hope you are able to hear me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we have given a preparation holidays for you. We completed your Power BI syllabus. So your mock test will be on 23rd. Okay. So your mock test will be on 23rd. So will be basically we have given preparation holidays for you. There won't be any classes for you till
Okay.
23rd. 23rd you can join at same time 9:15. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So till that you prepare your Power BI, whatever we told, both your recording, both your certification materials, okay, textbooks, what we recommended. Fine, Hajrakan.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. All the best. Chalo then.
Thank
Fine, guys.
Sir, Sir,
So Jagadish
sir,
and
you have,
Vidya, please try to practice and come with this assignment on Monday so that we can. Mostly Monday will not be there. Class will not be there. You should meet on Tuesday. Okay, because Monday, I have some work actually. So Tuesday we'll meet in the morning, 7:15. Okay, fine. We'll be having morning class as usual. Fine.
Okay.
sir,
Okay.
you have not uploaded the project details
Yes,
in
yes,
the
yes,
code.
yes, yes. I didn't upload it. Let me upload it by today or tomorrow. Okay. So I'll create
Okay.
one code. I will tell the team to share you all these details. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.